Hi there! In this tutorial, we're going to be learning how to do a back post double crochet. So a back post double crochet is very similar to just a regular double crochet. You're going through the same motions. The only difference is where you're inserting your hook. So I've already started with, I just chained 10, did 10 double crochet or 9 double crochets. And then I did a few back post double crochets. So this is what it'll look like from one side. And then on the other side, it'll look like this. All right. So when you're doing your back post double crochets, with double crochets, you've kind of got this little spot, and it's called a post. That is what you're going around each time. So for our back post double crochet, we're going to start with the yarn over, just like a regular double crochet. And then your hook is going to go behind, come up through the front. You're going to go around that post and back to the back. Then yarn over, pull up a loop, and then just like a regular double crochet, go through 2, go through 2. We'll do it again, yarn over, and we're going to go through the back to the front, in front of that post, at the back, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. All right, and that is how you do a back post double crochet. It's not very challenging, just kind of takes a second to get used to going through the posts instead of the stitches. Otherwise, it's the exact same as a double crochet. Gives you kind of a nice little ribbed effect right there.